Hello. Welcome back to the TV room. Oh, David Bradley here. So I'm moving more stuff out of here. Oh man, this is a dirty, filthy 128. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Let me just read what it says on the back. Oh, there are no screws. Dirty but works. Should ship out. Keyboard okay. Dirty. Have original box. Okay. That. Yes, I do. I have the original box. So this one, we'll just set this over here in the chair. And then I will take the original box, which is a little bit bent. Oh, but you know, things happen. Little bend here. I'm going to put it on top of here, and I guess I'll probably put that in there and see what's what. Oh, this one here. Wow. Commodore 128. It looks pretty clean, actually. What's this? Works it okay. Quite clean. Power supply not. Oh, yeah. Send the power supply to Ruby. Keyboard good. Needs a magic eraser treatment. Yes, it does, but still, it's mighty white. So I'll put that over here, hoping that nothing will fall down. Oh, yeah. Now, this one is also kind of yellowed. 128. Oh, yeah. F7 broken. Keyboard works. It okay. Test machine. Yes, they're all test machines, but there's the broken key. So I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to move it. And what is this? It's Commodore 128. Calculator, duck coverage. Works. Great news. Test computer. Keyboard missing 4 keys. Okay. When I look over here, and I do see this is filthy, 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 filthy. But it's missing 4 keys, so it's got to be the one. So things are trying to move. I'll try to get this plugged in. I will try. Okay, that's plugged in. There's the power LED. And now I'll set this very carefully on here. Snap it into place. I'll put it with the other 128s. I think I will start. Oh my. No falling. No falling. Now what's this? Oh yeah, yeah. Works it okay. 6 years ago I tested. Badly yellowed. Works in all modes. It okay. Keyboard okay. Test machine. Yay. Okay. Oh, I gotta put these differently. Things might start to slide and break, and I don't want that. Okay. Now, this is a non-complete. I know, because I haven't populated it. This is the Commodore 64. I gotta put some more chips into it so I can test things. This. What is this? Oh, yeah. Works 128 40 column mode. Works 64 mode. Did okay 80 column. Oh. Works 64 mode. Well, this is strange. I thought there was more broken stuff around, and I'm sure there is. I'm sure there is. I'm sure of it. Okay, you. Let's sit there. What do we got in here? We're not really connected well. And I do believe I unplugged power supply. I mean, do I really need to test this now? Not really. Oh, things are falling. Things are falling. Things are falling. Do I need to test this now? Not really. Oh, so many cords. Why can't they just... Oh, no, it's not plugged in. Okay. It's funny, because I thought this one was not happy. But maybe it is. Okay, we've got power. We've got power. But we don't have it plugged in yet. Okay, come on. Why is this not working? Okay, I know. Best to look at what we are doing when plugging things in. Okay, that's in. Where? There we go. There's the 80 column. All right, let's turn it on. Look at that. And sure enough, it works. All right, switch this. I'll push this down. We'll hit the reset button. There's the reset button. Why was I questioning? Okay, don't question things. Don't question things. Okay. Good stuff. We'll line this up. I'll get it so it clicks in place. I'll put it over here so it would seem that there are, in fact, 6 working 128s. Now this one here, this is unfortunate. It's got a lot of extra chips on top of it. This is the one where the power switch was wonky. I did force it, but it's not working. And I think, oh, I really need to write a data card for this and look for parts. What's this? Oh, an unpopulated 120. What is this one? Oh yeah, this is the one. The 40 modes work okay. The 80 mode does not. I could steal the power switch out of that. But anyway, it needs more stuff. What do we got here? Another dirty 128. This is the one. Not working, no flash, all chips tested okay. Heated solder, oh yeah, did the power thing. Not working, screen flash. Okay, still a mystery. Here is another. Well, it's somewhat populated. I think this is the one. 4 broken keys. Oh, maybe I mixed up the other one had 4 broken keys. Not working. Oh yeah, the 8502 gets very hot. All right. Hey. Oh, I know what's happening. The little posts in the middle of these are getting in the way. All right, well, I gotta move stuff. Maybe I should find one. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, is that beautiful? That's not going on there. It's a beautiful keyboard. Beautiful. There's probably more around. Anyway, I gotta get stuff moved because I gotta do some other stuff here. And then, well, at some point I'll get into surgery. I shall. but not yet. And right now, I'm going to move some 64s and get back to these 128s, and then see about, I guess one of these here goes in this fine box here. I'll have to figure that out. Anyway, alright. 64, and a 64, and a 64. Oh yeah. Well, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.